How to log in Netflix. If any day any of you are a Netflix user and you would like to log into your Netflix account on your very Android device or your iOS device, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Netflix application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on it like this. After you tap on it, Netflix will be launched on your mobile device. After Netflix is launched on your mobile device, now you can see an interface like this. Now here, in order to log in, you can choose any of your account that you have saved in order to log in. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the option of login on the top side and then tap on your email and your phone number here, and then on the downside you can just tap on your password and then go to the option of sign in, and this way you can log into your very Netflix account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.